The laundry room is often one of the most neglected parts of the house. Right behind me is not an exception. As you can tell, there are a lot of items that are not laundry related. These are patio cushions. On the side are washroom rugs. Hangers are hung without any use of it. There is also a kitchen item here. And lastly, the backstops are located on top of the washing machine. What we'll do is transform this small space into an effective laundry area on a $150 budget only. Before we start this transformation, of course, we're going to get rid of everything first.
One of Abby's vision on this laundry space is to make it brighter. With the budget we don't have the budget to put a new electrical system that allows us to put new bulb. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go very, very low tech. And what could that be? I'm pretty sure you already know what I'm talking about. I've taped some parts of the wall where I'm gonna be painting this white and also that part as well. One of the reasons why we're gonna do it this way is because we don't really want to remove this because it's gonna take a lot of time. We have finished organizing and refinishing this laundry area. So without further ado, let's go take a look at it. Ta-da! Here you go. As you can tell, this space is a lot more effective. Everything that's in this space is related to laundry. There's nothing more, nothing less. So what Abby designed and how she envisioned this space is she put a lot of backstops up here and she smartly labeled each of these items or each of these boxes of each purpose. One of the reasons why we have the washroom rugs up here is because right on my left is the washroom. Now let's go back to this space. Right above here is we decided to put the detergent in this container here and also the bleach. Now keep in mind there's nothing wrong with just putting the container itself in here, but if you want to make it look pretty and nice, we had to resort in this way. Moving over, we also placed these laundry mesh bags for the dryer. Also, a fragrance booster. It's actually pretty fancy. I didn't know about that part. Dryer balls and also the clothespin. Now, we have uncovered some space that we can actually put items in. And here's the example right behind the column. So this is an empty space. This is an empty void where all the dirt and clutter goes in here. But what Abby decided is she instead put the, what's called this?
Ironing board.
What she did was she put the ironing board in this location, also the iron up there. So like with every design, you can design a lot of spaces. You can put whatever you want here to make it pretty. But always remember, one of the reasons why we do what we do is because of intentional design. I actually learned intentional design from a guy named Kevin from Fritz Time Homes.
We have the laundry stain removal tips and fabric care symbols for a quick guide and solution. The added shelf was intentionally short, so on the other end, clients can hang short clothes to the clothespins, and longer ones by the ironing board. We put hooks for the items with no pairs and garbage for the lint by the dryer.
Thank you for watching. I hope this video provided value to you. And if you know anyone that would need our service, please give us a call at 780-707-4834 and our team will gladly answer all your questions.